How to remove and install a rear tail light panel, 1971 CUDA. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, leave us a like. Let's get into it. Okay, we are laying out the rough cut line in this tail light panel. Now we don't want to go too close when we're cutting out this panel to the adjoining panels and cause damage. So we're going to get the main section cut out. Then we're going to go back and remove the remnant of the tail light panel. And here we go. And forethought here will pay off big time in the end. Trust me. And we're getting this out of the way. Tail light panel removed. Now I'm using a wire wheel and I'm exposing all of the resistance welds. And then we're going to drill all of those out. Use the air hammer to separate the panels. And once that's accomplished, the two panels just come apart really easily. That's how they're joined together at the factory. We're just reversing the factory process. Now here I'm using a plasma cutter to remove the resistance welds instead of using a drill. And we're straightening up all the flanges and adjoining panels. Getting everything really nice and straight. Little hammer and dolly work. And you can see all of the holes in the panels. We're going to be welding through those holes, reproducing a resistance looking weld with a MIG welder. And here's a shot of everything prepped and ready to go. Okay, now this replacement panel has an EDP coat. And we don't want to remove a lot of the EDP coat. We want to remove as little as possible. And then later we will seal all of the joints thoroughly. And it's always best practice to put weld-through primer in between panels also. And we're getting that panel into place. And now I have installed self-tapping screws to hold it after the alignment. And here I'm using a friction jack to slightly push the quarter panel ends out so we can gain our proper gap. And using the self-tapping screws to lock that into place. Removing the friction jack and checking our fitment. Everything's looking really good. Happy with that. Last minute adjustments, making sure all of the flanges and surfaces are tight together. And now let's plug weld through those holes that we removed the resistance welds. And there it is. Tail light panel installed. All of our gaps are nice. Ready to check the fit of the rear bumper. Looks good. And here's the cuda finished. And we'll just run down the car, give you a look at the complete car. And as always, thanks for watching.